Today, we're going to learn about a man who took one very famous midnight ride. His name was Paul Revere. Paul Revere was born in Boston in 1735. His father was a silversmith. Do you know what that is? A silversmith makes things out of silver, like cups, spoons, and jewelry. Young Paul jumped right in, learned the ropes, and became a skilled silversmith too. Paul lived during a time when the American colonies were ruled by Great Britain. Many colonists weren't happy because they had to pay taxes but had no say in the laws. This caused big protests in Boston, like the Boston Tea Party. Paul Revere was part of a group called the Sons of Liberty, who wanted freedom. Little did Paul know he would soon be in for the ride of his life. The most famous thing Paul Revere ever did happened on April 18, 1775. British soldiers were marching to Lexington and Concord to take weapons from the colonists. Paul Revere rode his horse through the night to warn everyone. He shouted, "The British are coming," though historians think he may have said something a little different. Thanks to Paul and other riders, the colonists were ready for the battles of Lexington and Concord. After the war, Paul Revere kept working as a silversmith. He also ran a foundry, making cannons and even church bells. He lived a long life and passed away in 1818 at the age of 83. Here are some fun and interesting facts. Paul Revere had 16 children. Imagine how busy his house must have been. He was also a talented engraver. He made pictures on metal that told stories of events in Boston. Today, Paul Revere is remembered as a brave rider who helped start the American Revolution. His midnight ride showed courage and helped shape America's history. And now, you know the story too. Like and subscribe to Learning with Aunt Susie for more fun educational videos about history, famous people, and interactive stories. We'll see you next time.